Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you how to give superpowers for your Twitter account. That means you will be able to automate your Twitter account. You will be able to follow multiple people automatically. You can unfollow them, you can like them, or you could follow a series of activities on autopilot. So you can do all this from a simple plugin, Chrome plugin, which you can install by typing in superpowers for Twitter. So you can just go to the store, Chrome Web Store, and you can install it. So I have already installed it. And if you want, you can also get a premium version of it where you will remove ads and it will give you some additional functionality. But for you, I think the free version should be good enough. So once you have installed it in your Chrome browser, you will be able to find it here and you can just go into the options. So once you go to the options, you will see a window like this. So here it says how many people you would like to follow and what is the interval that you want to set between each follow. All these things can be set here. So I have set here wait 4 seconds, 4 to 8 seconds after each follow, and the limit that I set is 400. I have set this limit of 400 because otherwise Twitter might detect abnormal activity and might lock your account for some time and you'll have to reset your password. And you can follow people who already once followed the profiles, and you can put conditions like follow only profiles with a custom profile image. So that means Twitter egg profile will be skipped. And similarly, you can put those conditions for people who you want to mass unfollow. You can set conditions like 2 days minimum they are followed will be skipped. All those conditions can be put in, and for mass like you can put similarly various options. So what I'm interested here is mass unlike, and what I'm interested here is one more functionality I would like to use mass unretweet. So what I'm interested here is autopilot functionality that I'm talking about. So here I can set mass follow this particular Twitter account. After reaching 100, that is 2 seconds timeout, then come back and mass follow the other account, which is this account, then follow this account, and when it reaches 120, again come back and follow this account, then follow this account. All these things we can put and automate our Twitter account. So now let me go to Twitter directly and show you one of the account that I have here. So after reaching your Twitter account, when you have that Chrome extension enabled, you will be able to see some functionalities. Like if you go to following, you will see the option of unfollow, or if you go to followers, you will see the option of follow all. So if I click on follow, now you see I'm not doing anything. The it is being taken over and it is been automatically checking the conditions that I have already set in, whether it's already following me, or if it has a default profile image. All these things will be checked, and based on that it is going to follow those accounts. Now I am checking the followers account, which is not the good thing because followers are already following me. So let me go and check into some other account. So if I go to the home page, I will see a button called autopilot. So if I click on it, now it will go to the Ops for African website, that is the Twitter account of that, and find out all the profile that I want to follow, and it will start following one after the other these profiles. So once it reaches 100, then it will skip to the next action. So it started following all these accounts one by one automatically. So it's currently checking, and the timeout and idle time is also working. So let me skip this. So after this, it's going to the other account. It's going to the other account and it's going to follow the followers from Youth Opportunities Twitter account. So it has already started following. You can leave it like this and it will follow all the relevant followers that you want. And in this way, you can increase your follower count on a regular basis, because naturally when you follow other people, they will follow you back in most of the cases. So that is how you automate your Twitter account and give it superpower. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.